Ho ho ho, population has grown on Earth since last Christmas. I guess I'll have to make more toys for more children, and that means a new factory. Good thing I have all these resources from the tropical rainforest from the Amazon.
Wait! What about the animals, Santa? You're destroying all of their resources and natural habitats!
Are you saying we should destroy the dreams of millions of children waiting for their presents?
Deforestation and urban expansion are the leading causes of mammal extinction, and you're helping that out by exploiting the resources of the rainforest and contaminating the North Pole.
So?
Take the red gummy bear if you want to know the truth. Or you can take the yellow gummy bear if you also want to know the truth.
You don't have a choice.
I guess not. Oh! Santa Claus has claws and ears. What's going on? Meow. What are all these loud noises?
This is what it feels like to have your habitat taken away, Santa.
Saying that.
As you said before, thanks to deforestation and urban expansion, animals like you are dying out.
Deforest what? What happened to all my trees? They're so ugly and small. And short. Quack. Who are you?
We're a greedy species, Santa. We always want to cut down trees. We always want more. We come in, take all these trees away for lumber, and then we bring our construction workers and our tractors in to make it a livable place.
Imagine if a bunch of people just started breaking down your house in the North Pole for a shopping mall, Santa. No questions, no permission. Imagine waking up one morning to find everything destroyed.
That's terrible. And I can see it happening around me.
That's mammal extinction, Santa Claus. We're directly causing the death of precious mammal species through our constant hunger for more of everything. You're taking away their homes, Santa. Their homes!
No!
Over 50 species of mammals have gone extinct due to human activity. Imagine 50 species of animals you know and love gone. What's more important, Santa? Lives or toys?
Oh!
Oh my gosh, Santa. Are you okay?
Get up.
Oh, my hands are back to normal. I guess I was an animal. Being an endangered animal is so tough, but what does it have to do with us humans?
Well, you see, Santa, animals have medicinal, ecological, commercial, and even recreational importance to us humans.
You know, a variety of animal species, it implies a healthy ecosystem. So things like your coastal estuaries, your prairies, your grasslands, everything needs to have a variety of animal species to be healthy, and that helps purify our air and water.
When too many species get endangered, such vital ecosystems and consequently our lives will be threatened as well.
The economy will be jeopardized. Freshwater mussels that are used to produce pearls,
Produce pearls.
Yeah,
they produce pearls.
They provide 10,000 people with U.S. jobs for that. And guess what? Freshwater mussels are already 43% of them are extinct already.
So if freshwater mussels go extinct, what are you gonna get Miss Claus for her birthday?
No!
Your anniversary.
Each year, over 108 million people in the U.S. participate in recreational events related to wildlife. There are actually people who enjoy observing, photographing, and feeding animals. Not everyone is as heartless as you, Santa.
I'm still not convinced. A lot of kids depend on me for presents.
Oh yeah? Then try imagining life without Rudolph. FYI, BT dubs, reindeers are currently endangered.
No! Not my Rudy!
I can't
No, Rudy. You gotta be tough. You gotta be strong.
Santa, be
Come on. No, Rudy. No. No. No, Rudy. Rudy! What can we do? You guys are just 3 kids.
Santa, it's not easy, but we can make a difference because we're all working together for cute, fuzzy animals. Yay!
But Rudolph can't die. How?
Hey, we can change things if we start little by little.
Yeah, there are tons of things we can do for animals.
Like what?
We can recycle and reuse things so the trees won't get chopped down, the animals' habitats won't be ruined.
Boycott fur coats and ivory. Do you want baby seals to be killed just for fur coats?
You can join any organizations like Greenpeace, yours truly, or WWF, the World Wildlife Fund, and just volunteer at these organizations to help preserve wildlife.
I see what you mean. That's pretty easy.
Yeah, it is. There's so many things we can do to prevent endangered animals.
Oh, like plant a tree.
Or more realistically, ask your mom and dad not to use harmful chemicals at the house or at their garden.
Or you can even aim bigger through peaceful protests, friendly petitions, heartfelt letters to the government, or maybe even build a birdhouse in your backyard. They actually help quite a bit.
That's great and all, but what can we expect the government to do? It's not like they're helping us, are they?
Maybe it's pretty far-fetched, but the government could make more safe zones and preserve more national parks.
Ooh, what about the organizations we can join? They can have more fundraising activities to preserve nature.
Yeah.
And student volunteers can work to help out for service hours.
So who knows, Santa? Maybe you can plant that tree after all. It'll be awesome. Awesome.
Hey, but there's stuff that we can do ourselves. Like, I can tell my friends and all the elves about the endangered animals, and we can help protect them.
Yeah, great idea. You know, wouldn't it be so great if all this actually came true? Like all the ways to save preserved animals?
That would be a wonderful world. A world full of healthy animals and beautiful environment.
Yeah, with lots of biodiversity and a bunch of animals running around, the world will be a great place to live in.
And just think of it, our future generations can appreciate the animals that we have today.
Wouldn't that be so awesome? A world of harmony between nature, humans, and wildlife.
Your wish will come true if we try hard. I wonder what other people are doing to help endangered animals.
Yeah, what are other people doing about endangered animals? Is it just us?
Yeah, even the government is working to stop mammal extinction, as well as other environmental issues related to it, such as overpopulation, pesticide use, and global warming. So you know they're important.
Yeah, and there was once a species of llama that was really coveted for its rich dark fur, but the government intervened and prohibited all sales of the fur.
Well, after enforcing the Endangered Species Act, the population levels rose. So now certain species of animals are no longer endangered. Yay!
Like those llamas that we talked about. And aside from the government, there are a number of credible and reliable organizations that are geared toward helping wildlife. For example, Greenpeace knows that it's hard for individuals to get started on their own, so we do the work for them based off their donations.
In our little Santa world, it would be the government would take parts of our money, our tax money, to help save the environment. It may cost a little bit, but in the long run, it's much better to help preserve our dying mammals.
The government can spend more money on national parks and safe zones, which are actually good for us as well. And they can also hire more forest rangers to keep track of the animal population.
That would be our perfect world. That would be our hypothetical government, if you get what I'm saying.
So we're all in this together. Yay!